Okay, Paruna. Okay.
So dia kuda no yo inem dia no no wis tanti mo. Sta umo do banco na vamos que tipo de spa. Okay.
Okay. So the least speaking we can at this stone today or within at this stone we all value, yeah? We all very important. So we're glad you wanna come. Next, we want to say plenty thank you to the chief because we don't know say he really get control over this place, not to by Bagbati, not to by Paupa, but now the way they work with him people them, me do not save enough for them. They all go cancel locally with the chief they tell you. Now so community for them. Oh now they wanna all the work together. So we're not surprised we will see the kind of people that we can get there this evening. We say for we come, we know Boku, now 3, 2.5 because the one man in the almost. We seen electrician as well, then I am, then we brother, we Kautri, na Mr. Uri, na it's in and qualified CHO. But for now, they work with the council na Kwedu. Then you need to do the talking. Me na Abubakar, me na teacher. So we're glad you hold us at the whistle. Next on the agenda, we come now here for can discuss something we will benefit you tomorrow. Some man go say and say it's far, but me believe say it's not far. It's very near. And when I be done the fight, una don't fight from 2004 or so. Una done the fight. For una make sure say una picking themselves with the common here, that they achieve quality education. No so? Yeah. Una done the fight, say until a brother become for can help una naya, he can construct 3 classroom building for me. But later on, we understand say most of the picking them, they come on here, they go na swap for go na school. When a very fine thing. But we thought and facing an injustice to that small people is on and papa and foot. You go left and they say go na swap for go na school. I take go reach na swap come back. He says where you go walk, you had to go gladly. Where then can somebody can small picky they go there with there. So we see the big one there. Anytime was some of they pass now this road there for going out village there. We see the big one there. Then they go. It's okay. But what about the small one there now? Whose level where they go for day? Whose age where they go for day before they go school? First we left them for so they don't 10, 15 years. Where then come they recall this now we auntie, this now we papa na class. Because we go the freight for sending them to school because of the distance. They will never send them to school fee. Where at the age of 5, 4. Picking need for them at school now. So if picking not in at school at that time, they go waste the time. Yeah? So now make we self thought and fit say, with the help of our brother, Mr. Mohamed Lamin, we say this problem, we get way how for solve this problem. Or not to be problem. Now on a problem. Now on the bond they picking and I had a day. Now on the bond now, we don't know whether we're not glad or we're not glad. Whether them picking and dinner, they never go to school at all. I believe so. We all not glad. Not glad. Some do.
The guys in 2004 this school can help. The first people then the one man we carry train our class the people is trying the very best from that time where the young time passed to this point. This is school business is stronger. Never mind the team stronger to the people they help me. But the first person said the team well. The teacher they will them they help me voluntarily. Will them they help me and this will and this teaching for teaching people. For support them, we agreement for waiting for do for the parents. Especially the parents, the first to the parents, the money they to that they make it clear. They understand. When they make agreement for the every picking per term, 10,000 for each picking, 10,000 for pay per term. With a small money, sometimes they pay 25,000 per term. They don't understand. The parents will lie with the worker. First, S5 in the worker for that money, worker take tire. They begin to patch. Tell that and yet for whatever die so within a year. For that 3 months, for pay that 10,000, some parents, they pay. So the 3 months they pass, 2 times, you know they pay. When they talk, you take a picking car on a farm. What talk, they say, not able now for me. Most of the parents say, this will happen at this point. You don't understand. This continues to happen till the parent left the school. It discouraged himself, he left the school to go. The other teacher back will go beg, when I come, with them, we don't volunteer, the picking they have a with them there. When I'm starting, work with this madam, let's have the girl assist the last school. Now the same thing. We could pass the parents here for that money, that's small money for pay. They never pay. The teacher back, that teacher, then pick and discourage. The ones who they pass up the way instead of discourage. You don't understand. The worst of the whole thing, where this free education don't come, Mother Vio said free education. Well, before they open in school September, they don't consult no authority on this one, the first thing. They're going to sew uniform for the people, they don't go arrange all things and Jama. Then they even say, but school they can't open, how do school is like for go on that? Don't meet them big one, they don't ask them that. They don't do that. Then take them people there now, they carry them go that way, they go sew uniform for their all. 75% of them, they don't arrange the school this year at all. They say free education don't carry, make up for pay again. Yeah, they have got them for money, 10,000, this, that. Believe it in me. Even if you're a teacher, they wouldn't be in that school. Now, one sorry hard parent, we remember Casala said to teacher, this teacher can't waste his time all day. He teach me picking. Now make this Casala for a lot there. Now work for some of the parents. You don't understand. They take the picking and they transfer it. At the end of the day, the picking that they left now, they don't even reach 20 or 15. Inside the 50 or 20 picking them back, for pay this 10,000 to that power, they'll not be the ground. They'll refuse to pay. If I decide to left the school, can't make us up. Decide to left the school. They're not transferred to balance their own account. Yeah, now they go, they pay more than 100,000. They don't pay that 10,000. They go pay another more than 100,000. Uniform, badge, this, that, next time, this, that. Then we create a son, they're not coming under Islamic. That time, let their life. We go to me, we work at Tilkuna, Kwedu. Waka Islamic they say they go help this school. When so waka they take focus, we not see help, we not see road. Commode, you know where the what's for something. This I say better know the commode say something and better dey. Go commode, we go try. We also to where they start them try. Then send teacher there. Then the send teacher there, that in council every 2 time. Then I do that the send teacher there, the teacher, the other teacher they die, the teacher there on the other. You go take it, go let them. They aren't the teacher. You don't understand. Every the subsidies time, now Aradula, now under Aradula, we the school, we get subsidies. You understand. So after this Aradula back, we go on. Then serve, then good way. We support them in the car again. But first them we help, then we go let them. After they know so well, don't try order back. So today you have go pass this all. Now we sabi how come back. Look at. The thing high they go, you know, go down well. So
it's like I don't be better.
What are not saying for contribute money now? Then tell me say the money they contribute.
Now they go send
up. Then they go flop up for pay the teacher now. We send 350,000. What you do 150,000? They only 200. Yeah. See when they go flop for you, now they all about the doctor.
So when this will happen, the school will not left. Get one side. When the mother be okay with this free education business, they tell you to go open account for this school. Now put money. We don't remember how much money. Pardon. 250,000 euros. Then say go open account for this school. So anything they can now, you never go to another school. Now we inside. Now we go collect them for ourselves. Then they say what I will go back. Take to the.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And we don't see what's the problem indeed. But now one thing I want follow world understand. I want word when me no ever believe. But say this you know they happen. We not try and make you know you say you know they happen. Lord we fasting it must happen. Town then day, village then day na Nimia Manaya, where Madina open past them, Madina big past them, the school and the road. Look at Basaya, Madina they come inside it, Madina they beat and a 2 or 3 Okay? But anyway, let God make this house we don't soak today. Oh, they can't start the arrangement. Let God make it in our hearts. The problem why make the school yonder not be able. Okay. If we were within at this time, now we get this property. Now me go say let chief make sure say all man dey na. Not to me picky girl for car attending. Not to this man picky girl for car attending. We will sit on here. Now we want property this. Now we need for whole and fine. So that the body, the expenditure, it go less for we. If they picky they don't left here, they don't sit MPSC, then do well. For go now from one now, everybody go select picky go now. So I feel we only picky go kwedu. But we were within here, we're not proud of Usa Usido, we're proud of other side. We na swafe. And when we go this, we see the disgrace they follow we. If we hold we own property, we get na house. We hold our fine, we maintain our fine. We own them, we dress our fine. We come on a do. We all make them fearful. Trust me. Anything what you say for this place, it happen. So the and make us say, oh, start the prayer. Let God make, let do himself with heart. I know like most times when people they keep pray, oh, they start meeting because they can't, they need talk what God wants. They talk are fine, but they need to work out. So why you pray, we start the meeting. Now in prokiti make to God. When you pray, say let God make what you do so. Let God make you that. Like I did in my heart. Let they una all una any other person. Let them not come on the woman they go say, now this and this to do. I wanna let me back Madina business you. Madina be don't you want to start her? Okay. So now we not follow their stories and they. We don't know the blessing where they be and the people where they don't put more for this. But this is not going for happen if we not support we. So we come this evening for now we can help una. Let this school year start for us this September when school will open. Una agree? Una agree? The parents una agree?
Yes.
The parents all una agree? Yes. That's our intention. For let this year, let's start. Okay? But when they start, we can get responsibility. Una then at this store, una self get una your responsibility. Then responsibility there. Now we all get for put together. We they work out a small for let what we want for let happen. Let una all una sidoya today. Let una name day na this chief doya say na una bitina farm for let that school let na pianda. We say let una name day say oh they pass I no want money from person. We no want casada for me pass if you want to give it. But let's say this man and they can arrange we. Not to money they can give now. But they can arrange you for picking the go school today. Yeah? We self get people them where would they go cry to? But the thing for come from una say, what the people here they cry for, they really want them. Let me could be say una all come. If una not come, that means now force they can't force the school business for una not want them. So even if we work out money, we work out all to put another school. You go there and paint to everything they do. Picking on the go there. Don't go they clean, they dress them go under. They left and they. The school, yes, the school, not so the structure be the school. Now they picking the way and they any kind will make a fan will design a fan. If picking they go they not to school. And una they paying them, now una they born the picking there. If una no green say this school here for go on. But let's say we can't talk, see talk now, I know they go on. Because if you and me born me picky, I say no go, you are not born picky again. Eh? Una go make una school? No. Good. So do ya? We come, we don't listen to our problems. We your intention we go it. We go follow us done together. Now we arrange for let this school year move before. People that we don't care, they don't fail. But not to them fail. Now who will see that today now will fail because if we be green, we hold tight. We really say they happen. Yeah? So since we serve don't care, we don't tell now we are short in we are interest into the sister we care for. We want for let we all come together. Let that school will continue for go on. But we know we can't no more say let the school continue for go on. Picking on the parent not green. And when we say we don't green, we don't clap, we are glady. Una your responsibility then. Now una go for no. Waiting na me your responsibility for let that school go before. Waiting achieving your responsibility for let that school go. Waiting na we teachers and your responsibility for let that thing go. In the first place, so start forget the whole thing wrong. For go pull somebody in a swap fair for say they can't teach na ya. It's fine. It's fine no. But Wait man, what the Lambo could go to cause sustainability. If they did 1 month, no forget that possible, they die 200, 300,000 euros. It's in fact, go again. But if we self try, one of the side also get out. Not try for develop we go pick it out and see there. Or develop to go pick it out and see there. Then go for go they go and every day for go teach we picking them. We give them all the support say they're gonna farm, they not get gardening. But we the community people they will help them for let the school, let them self go to teach we picking them find one. But if we go pull somebody and I will do clue or on open I will go. Definitely the school not to go. Then the parent they will not that responsibility again. They say pay 10,000 loans. You say no at the left hand they go to Swafel. Sometimes there's some picking away they be the go. Most times why be the work with one NGO. Why be the go inside a commode. Now me they care they go. Why I reach you there son they say Uncle how much do they give you? I say when people that never do people the goodness, they say yes. I swear that goodness so they be do other people there. Me say now they pay what I pay una not give me nothing. So like some go give 2,000 euro, 3,000 euro for let that picking go every day. You check down the 2,000 euro, take 5 days. How much? 10,000. You don't feel for pay 10,000 euro for 3 months. Okay. Then you get 2,000 euro lunch. But if you go school now, I boil me cassava. You go eat small. When you come on at school, the distance you can't eat the balance. You have the peanut under the table. You go eat, I go sit down, but what teacher the teacher you concentrate. But when you come here, you get 2,000 euro lunch. They work first, angry don't catch you. Waste your money, 10 I eat. Sometimes now you begin to not be in company. Teacher, the teacher self. You need to pay attention. If now that people don't mature, if boy people they get 2,000 or 3,000, they go to the go school, say Bokalo go na house. You go meet provision day, you go meet all tea bread day, all tea day, tea leaf day, tea day. Not to belly at the end of the day. So you see how weak you're responsible for them to kill the downfall one. But if they under you, you go for no hurry, they go for work. When you come out school, they are not go far. Join me in a farm now. If we will go there. Now next, the community can decide. No, but the teacher do that. They are okay. Now we don't make fine place like that barrier. No, all the people they go there. They make that chair well light. Let them go to sit down there for study together. We go for good and there. We pick it and get the quality. Good reason they come out. We won't in Abia today. Na village school they go. But what can as well we do well? Why? Because we parents they support the community teacher where they teach you in a village there. We not can nobody knows see say we village student there. The way they talk, if you were there Victor, you know we'll challenge you. Say we go to university that we can. So now the same thing I wanna say for support them picking there. For let they go for tinap tomorrow on Saturday they talk una proud of you. The only matter man you picking na your susu tomorrow. No, you're so. So man, they say, let me picking not take care of me. Now where is wrong first? Side the way they read, trust me. If that picking is not holy, you need to go for do nothing. So do ya? When all come together. Now, for the last part of the agenda, what's it going to be the way forward now? If we all don't agree, what's in the way forward? We'll go for make, let the school year start. Now go on forget from Mona now. Salam Muhammad.
Like what this is, so I feel say the first thing we lack now the school will be done they try.
Yes,
They really want to win. Number one, the teacher. Now one problem down there.
okay.
You understand? Why we lack teacher then people in there will learn. But that small thing forgive them. Now the problem. Number two. That be make we not get teacher.
Okay.
You understand? And number two, the school will make one because we brother they just help you, but we don't see another idea. It's like if you don't stop, like it.
Okay.
For maintenance right now, bench no day, table no day, desk nothing no day.
Okay.
So that's now we in problem.
For the appearance for the beginning, student to the teacher, we will give this teacher the support. We will make the beginning of the school.
And I go give them support. Okay. Any other suggestion again? When I all go for talk, when I pick it, they attend it. Now I know what's in the morning. Now I know how for solve it.
Me another about one solution.
Yeah.
Me another about one solution. We all we get picking them now. We they don't do from then class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4. We all for make a law For say the all na there for attend and not for go so after. We want to make a law for say them picking the let they attend 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Let them go. Until next year, we don't know the groom up, we go then class 5. The other year, we don't know the groom up, we go then class 6. Then we see to first MPSC, we see the results. But now we make a law say, we won't there, we picking them. Therefore there.
Yes. Person are your suggestion?
From brand another for ourselves and because so.
Yeah.
For saying and not the responsibility for uniform side 1.
Okay.
We young picking the Naya. We don't almost see to us or they see to us. But let them teach her, we begin them. We are in, we will ask for scholarship, then we do one and they do distance. Because if we say if we will go take person out for Kautaya, the burden will be so high in the way that we know we will handle them. But we own the Naya, I feel say we the comrade, let we accept them. Because there's some people already talk, this, you know, sabi better, you can't shoot me between this, that. No. At the syllabus they deal with. What did they teach and now they teach now? If they ask for solution, they say this is one kind of solution.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Me self think of one thing. Because look, one word where they talk, they say that billing or they paint and they do anything or they do any kind of thing inside it. You know, go be school. Picking and teacher and parent. Now then go be school. School go on. So me I dey see say now what mostly put that school because of we not been get law. The comrade whether they refuse for pay, we not get nothing waiting for do that. We they left them so no more. So that they make the other one himself tomorrow you not go pay. And picking there they not go put this one for say turn this so when you not pay, then go pull you picking. There's small picking the way they did it. If you not 20 picking you get here now, then they pull the fine. The balance don't left. Almost that teacher they hold for them picking the day. That's school they point. So now this mostly point at school.
Okay.
So now me your contribution landing.
So you dey suggest law the school at the end of the day una forget by law.
Yes.
For say now if you don't agree say let you pick your attend now. This money where you don't sign up for say you for the pay.
Yes.
If you not pay now this for be
Let them get away for the
okay then. Thank you.
Okay, I got one question I want to ask ya. What's happening in house? They say pay. They say in fact when I don't force me to more pick it now before me to the rubber. No gonna farm. So if not that now they practice. If not that now they practice now yeah. For say una self no they feel like I will all other people that you pick it they can't snap or they talk to una.